Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you.
Whenever you feel down, I promise to be there for you. When everything breaks down, I'll be your guiding light that will light up the way to better days. I'll leave the bad ones behind you. I will be by your side whenever you're down. I promise to be there. Whenever you're down, whenever you fall, whenever you feel like nothing at all, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Whenever you're down, whenever you fall, whenever you're back down, the game go on. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I can't seem to remember if it was June or December when we first met. I'll be your lighthouse, guide you through the dark times. I will be the one that light up the way to better days. Leave the bad ones behind you. I will be by your side whenever you're down. I promise to be there every night and day. Baby, I'll be your savior in every moment when you feel lost. I'll be there to hold you up whenever you are scared. I'll be there to hold your hand. I'll be there for you. Whenever you're down, whenever you fall, whenever you feel like nothing at all, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Whenever you're down, whenever you fall,
again, so excuse the voice recording, but I'm outside right now. I just wanted to show you how those lyrics fit in terms of like melody. Nobody believed in me. I always had myself. Whatever you see in me, I never had much help. But you came along and you proved me wrong. Somebody is on my side. I fell in love at a crazy time, but I'm thankful you're in my life. I'll never forget your words the night of our one last dance. Better know your worth when you're gone, it'll hurt, but baby, you have this chance, and you gotta take it if you're gonna make it. What are you waiting for? Just go on, baby, I'll be fine. Your dreams are on the line, and I have believed in you for so long. And you gotta take it if you're gonna make it. What are you waiting for? Just go on. Nothing is changing, and you're gonna change it. I have believed in you for so long. Was buried in misery. I couldn't trust myself. You added a piece to me that I had never felt. But you came along and you proved me wrong. Somebody is on my side. I fell in love at a crazy time, but I'm thankful you're in my life. I'll never forget your words the night of our one last dance. Better know your worth when you're gone, it'll hurt, but baby, you have this chance, and you gotta take it if you're gonna make it. What are you waiting for? Just go on, baby, I'll be fine. Your dreams are on the line, and I have believed in you for so long. And you gotta take it if you're gonna make it. What are you waiting for? Just go on. Nothing is changing, and you're gonna change it. I have believed in you for so long.
The time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to. With the snowflakes falling down, it's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but but you're not